Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So guys, before diving into the video of today, if you know you've not subscribed to this channel, please do me a huge favor by clicking on the red subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell to always notify you whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. Well guys, I just want to rant a little bit. I know to some people it won't be of no use to them. Like seriously, a lot of people, they don't listen. It's normal. Like for our own Nigeria side, now normal to see today I go dey switch my English. If now correct one enter, I speak and the way I see them, I won't just give some kind. I just want talk waiting they relevant, but a lot of people still see them like irrelevant talk, but I do not care, but I'll still air my opinion anyway. So guys, I came across a video today. I watched it on someone's channel and I still want to air my own opinion. You know, say we were there abroad, so yeah. Let me talk about France women a little bit. Like all those women were in France. When I see say when I see that they deport most of them, you know they pay me again, because sometimes we'll say, oh, they deport that, those people, they be racist, they're not good, they don't do this, they don't do this. So lately when I could they see waiting they exhibit for that country where they call France, the thing they shockalize me. Honestly speaking, who does that? Person go dey street, they fight. Person go dey street, they insult his husband. Not be that one even carry me come here today. The video when I watch, yeah, like 3 women, grown ass women, they get children, their children they there. They stand another woman, they ask her a question. Like the question when they ask this woman now, nonsense question. The woman they talk small before you know. They beat this woman. They can't naked her for France. They just do it for bus station. And police go past. They go see all these things. They know they talk. They drag her. They beat them. What it made that they beat this person? Because of man, no. People where don't born, no. They say my baby father. They talk rubbish. I know a lot of you people must have come across the video. Now, if you don't watch the video, some of you never watch them. I know if you put the video for the end of this my own video, because I don't know whether YouTube will accept them or not. You guys can see I'm still new on this YouTube street, so I have to restrict some things from this my channel. Okay, now later when I don't know more about this YouTube street, I'll come they add things. Okay, so they can't beat the woman. Like I was saying, they beat the woman, they can't naked down, they do all these things. So the question is, tomorrow now, police see now when they do all those things, they do maybe some they don't even snap on a picture. All those kind of things they go on and say police no talk. They say all these police they not get sense. All those things we both they not get sense. They snap on a picture. They can't call now. They ask on a question now. They shake for mouth. Now no know what you want to of foolishness. See the way una disgrace una self. They can't beat you. The woman can't even they beg. Una beg go. They don't even listen. He begin they cry for passage, you know. They beat the woman. They naked the woman. They naked her. Okay, tomorrow now they deport una. Now say France is not good. Una attitude first of all. Una don't even check them. Una don't check them. If they say na former baby papa, the woman, other woman where they say no, correct yourself, my former baby papa. Imagine what you they talk. Those days for Nigeria, yeah, I know, like even for Nigeria, they shame. Person they shame say he don't feel bon. Then the man leave her. They shame put like abroad. Then as in it come like say dog lick some kind of women eye for this abroad. Dog lick their eye. They don't even get one single shame. They already born for 100 men. They're no shaking. No one like the thing. They do the anything. They know the reason say those children self will even grow tomorrow. If you could one this first one come, he ask of your papa, you say your papa name na John. This one your papa name na Williams. This one your papa name na Adam. This one your papa name na Judas Iscariot. Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey happen? Like the embarrassment wey some Nigeria people dey, like some Nigeria women, the embarrassment wey they give us for this, for abroad, they too much. Why they no fit stop? They respect themselves for once. Una just say okay, as we even dey see women dey go school for country where you dey, you go just go school. So women no get sense, so they go just dey calm, they collect 400 euros. Why some women yo dey chop money? Some women they live their best life for Europe. Why some just believing on that 400? Some people just go that place because of that aduro money. When your time go reach, where you supposed to do some kind of things, you know if you do one because of your stupidity. School you no go, work you no learn. Like Oyibo they happy if they do all those things, though they proud of you. They happy, yeah. When you go don't reach time where you supposed to take a drive car, now that time you the price bicycle. I won't buy electric bicycle. Mumu. When time don't reach for you to take buy house, now that time you see they rent under somebody. Mumu. The person will get the house, will rent the house to you. The black person will rent the house to you. That one get too head. You know they think. That they go train station, Puma station, go beat person up. Why? Because of man. Una naked down, post and say una want make the video go viral. Una first see the video now. Then for those una children where they pass it, you know they cry since now. Consider that video in future. How they go feel? You think say they will proud say now una born them. Una feel say those children now though they proud say yeah, this is my mother. She's fighting in the street. My mother is fighting in Puma station. Una not let me cut my tongue, I beg. So women don't just get sense. So women don't get sense. They stand person, they ask a stupid question because of man. And I don't born like 2 to 3 for different men. No. They see talk where they come out for person maths. As in get to, I feel say Nigeria, yeah, our things for them they more better than the ones where they this Europe, because all these girls where they this Europe, they just spoil Nigeria. And most of the girls, so I'm not saying everybody, because you got some people who go see come for me for this video. Now I'm new in this YouTube street, but I don't believe say somebody will still come for me for my video. There's a video I made the last time. I can't even see talk about girls where they marry white men because of documents and all of that stuff. And the video self, not because of that, not be that one be the topic where I give for the video. Like some the white man keep person, he kill the Nigerian lady because if they go back to Africa, go they sleep with ES. So for that video, I can't talk say if you know say you want marry Oyibo, just marry Oyibo. If you know say na black day your mind to marry and just marry for the right reason. That was the message I was trying to pass. Somebody can't drop for my comment section say I dey talk rubbish. Now so white people do then this. I delete the comment anyway. Now so white people do this. Now so white people do that. So is that why you want to marry for the wrong reason? For your own happiness? You even destroy your own self just because of waiting paper. Waiting you go see get. Some people not guessing. They feel say this everybody go get this document. Some people they here 10 years. Now they give them document, but they were patient. They were patient, but some people just dey 2 years. I hear say one person go kill himself and he just dey here 3 months. 3 years. He go kill himself because he no get documents or he no get what is it called? Resident. He go kill himself. And some people don't dey here 20 years old. They never die yo. Even one person when I even know go he carry himself go Africa, buy TC go Africa because say they give you negative twice, I be 3 times. When some people though they chop the negative, they no even they shake. They see you get hope, they walk. All these women they talk, what are they try talk? Which point are they try bring out? All these women where they do this thing, can they just stop? May they stop. I know they like whether they condemn say now so France not good, now so Germany not good, now so Belgium not good, now so they deport people. Why did they deport una? Una character is good. Una character good. If they just paid those women that 400 and something euro, Ah, party don't start oh. Now so they go, they buy, they post every minute, they video call. Excuse me, they live video, they live video, they do live video. Wetin dey happen? And now they'll still come meet people where they do YouTube, like all these social media influencers. They say that they talk rubbish. Person sit down for front of camera. It is easy to do video. They talk to people, they advise people. Then later you can't even watch with your data. It is easy. At the end of the day, you can't drop rubbish comment, say go and look for a job. Hello, that person is working. YouTube is one of the best platform, social media platform, the best platform to make good money. If una don't know, but now they on a live video, they chook tongue come out like dog, they twist snake like snake. English no dey on a mouth, nothing dey on a mouth. Now they chook go like, I don't understand. Then now they will constantly come under your comment section, they drop comments, say they talk rubbish, go and look for work, go and work, and they not get work. They just they aduro hard, just they collect that money, they buy rubbish. Person wey dey work, you think say that YouTube wey they do not be money, it dey pay am. And for una wey you drop that last comment for me the last time, I know they quarrel with now. Just keep viewing my video, they drop your comment. You not remove anything from my body. And for those of una wey they disgrace una self for street, I know they vex for now. Now una children, just they like it. They touch me for them. It they touch me for them in future. When they see all those things, you know, say later things they more like this digitalization, they improve the more when they will see their mother. Una say they go like a senseless set of people. The thing a big disgrace. They'll say France no good, Germany no good, this one no good. Una good, una good. I did like all these white people, the way they respect women where they work, the way that they respect women where they work, women where they go school, you go school. You never see black people for inside hospital. They do nurse, they do nurse, they do all this BB thing. Based on say they don't know, say you don't go school, you don't work. They give you that respect. So women they poop different ride come out. They will get jeep, get different cars for Europe. You just they price 30 euro bicycle up and down. You say you never reach my turn. When you want to reach your turn, when you want to reach your turn, since the table no gree turn reach where you dey, you no go change seat. May you go where the table for your the turn. You change your seat. Now only who get sense go know say since the table never reach where, may I change seat because you don't to sit down for there. Since you don't see say that camp, you know they pay you now. So fight you they fight now. So quarrel you they quarrel. Why you not think say may I go start school? Even some people at 50 they say they go school. At 60 they say they go school because they know say they still get. Even though now 40 years can't join your years or now 20 years, now still long time. Even though now 1 year, now still long time. You just want to do better thing for your life. So that your children go they proud of you, your great-grandchildren go they proud of you. They'll say, my daddy do this one, my mother do this one. Instead, when I go bus stop, go they fight like mumu. They beat person. See the way that they do. No. Some women just they shout, they don't get sense. They call baby papa, they call this one. Not be my husband again, not this one. Those days for Nigeria, what this if you even get more than 2 boyfriends, you they shame. Though they shame say that they can't man follow them. People they shame for Nigeria say, I don't feel born for this man, then of course you go born for this. Even because of that reason, some people you're born for one man, even though they separate, they don't remarry. Because they don't want me, they say you don't feel married before you go see marry again. Because of that reason, they don't remarry. But we for this Europe, no. The boy they craze, though they talk, all those mumu talk. The boy they craze. If he fuck up, I throw where. That will not be nonsense. That will not be rubbish. I beg, I suffer leave matter for matter. Yes, I don't feel go kill myself because of people we know if they listen to a person. So guys, drop your own comments in the comment section what you think about this video. If waiting those women they do good, like they go they fight person because of man for Puma station or anything, drop your comment down in the comment section below, okay? And air your opinion. You see this life, yeah, everybody dey entitled to their own opinion. As I dey here now, na my own wetin I still feel, now I pour out, now I still talk. So based on say na wetin I think. Okay, so if you have anything to say, just drop it down in the comment section. All right, so if you know you've not subscribed, like I said before, please try and subscribe, turn on your post notification to always notify you whenever I post a new video. All right, for now, I see you. Peace out. Ciao.